Hello Primary 2 again, this is Chapter 5, second term, Lesson 103 to 106. More about fractions. Last time we took the fractions, we are going to talk more about the fractions. Let's start. A fraction can name more than one equal part of a whole. What is the meaning of this? You see this circle is divided into two equal parts. The two parts are called 1/2 or halves. One half and another one half. Two halves, 2/2. In the circle that's colored, one part of it in red, so 1/3, we said before, it's called 1/3. When you color two parts, you have 2 parts out of 3, so 2/3. Start with the numerator in saying and then the denominator, 2/3. What if you colored the 3 parts? 3/3 or 3/3. Again, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and just one is colored in red. So the colored part is 1/4. It's called 1/4 or quarter. When you color 2 parts green, this is 2/4, 2/4, because you always start with the numerator. In the numerator you have 2/4. When you color 3 parts, 3 equal parts, this is 3/4 or 3/4. When you color the whole parts, you have 4 parts and all of them are colored, 4/4 or 4/4. In the next slide from your book, page 88, follow your teacher's directions to shade the name of the fraction. If I asked you to color only one part, you color just one part green and say the name of the fraction. That's right, this is 1/4 or quarter. What if I asked you to color 2 parts green? 2 parts green, write the fraction of the colored part. How many parts do you have? 2. How many total parts you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your fraction is 2/4 or 2/4. And if I asked you to color 3 parts, how many parts do you have? 3. How many total parts do you have? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3/4, which is called 3/4. If I asked you to color the whole circle, how many parts colored? 4. How many total parts? 4. So this is called 4/4. This is 4/4 because all the parts are colored. From your book, page 89, shade in one piece of the circle, then write the fractions. Okay. You shaded one part. So write the fraction of the shaded part. How many parts do you have? 1. Out of how many total parts? Count 1, 2, 3. So your fraction is 1/3. In the second shape, you colored 2 parts. Count 2 parts out of how many total? 1, 2, 3. So your fraction is 2/3. In the last one, number 3, shade 3 pieces. You shaded the 3 pieces, write the fraction 3/3. That's right. In the next page, book page 91, write one hole on the top of the bar. Color the bar red. Color the bar red. So the red part is called one hole because the whole rectangle is colored. Number 2, find the label in halves. Color the halves green. You have 2 halves, 1 and 1. You just have to color them green. That's right. For number 3, color the third parts yellow. The bar is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. It's called 1/3. It needs to be colored in yellow. So color the 3 parts in yellow. For the last question, color the 4th blue. You have 4 fourths. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Just have to color them blue. So blue, blue, and blue, blue. The 4 parts are colored in blue because they are fourth. This is for the fractions for today. See you next time.